Simple interest. What is simple interest? Simple interest is the amount of interest paid based on the original amount lent or borrowed. Simple interest equation is I equals P times R times T. Principal times rate times time. What is principal? Principal is the initial sum of money you will calculate interest on. What is the interest rate? The interest rate defines what percent of the principal will be paid as interest for each time period that interest accumulates. Interest is written in percentage but can be divided by 100 to give you a decimal value. Percent equals percent over 100. Specific time. When calculating simple interest, know that the interest accumulates at regular space-time intervals. For interest, depending on the term of loans, they can be months or year. If so, you have to convert it. Years would be x over 365, and months would be x over 12. So my example is Ruben deposits $200 in his savings account that pays a 3.2 interest rate per year. How much interest rate will he pay in 30 months? Step 1 is to define all parts. Principal would be $200 he is depositing to his savings account. He starts off with rate is 3.2 and the time is 30 months. Now it's time to plug in the equation. Principal stays the same. Percent rate is converted into decimal, so 3.2 divided by 100 comes out to be 0.032, and 30 months is converted into months into years. 30 divided by 12 is equal to 2.5. In step number 3, it's time to multiply all of them. So 200 times 0.032 times 2.5 comes out to $16. So at the end, Ruben is going to pay $16 of interest in 30 months.